Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I have my voice back, but I sincerely apologize if I clear my throat because there's still a lot of drainage going on. Anyway, I am almost completely out of my Total Boat resin. Wow, I haven't even started and already I've got alcohol ink on me. So I'm going to do a small project today. I do have some more coming. It should be here by tomorrow, hopefully. And then I have some new molds that I wanted to try out with you guys on Thursday. So all of that is to say that I have been a huge fan of Daniel. I will link his channel in the iCard as well as in the description. He does a lot of Petri dish pours, mostly jewelry size, like pendants kind of things. And since the last time that since figuring, oh my god, brain fog, apparently the allergies are still there. I wanted to figure out how to do Petri dishes before I tried doing them in small scale, and I feel like I've got a pretty good handle on how to do them. So I am going to use these little molds again that I used on Thursday. Again, I'm running out of resin, so that's why I had to do something small today. And I'm going to try Petri dish pour for these today. Hopefully they turn out okay. They're good and deep. I mean, they're not deep, but, you know, they've got some heft to them, which I'm hoping means that the ink will do what it's supposed to do. So I pulled some colors. I've got emerald, fuchsia, violet, and peacock blue. And I've got my, this is Pinata Blanco, white alcohol ink. So yeah, this is going to be super simple, quick and easy. I'm going to mix up some resin. I've got it in a bin next to me in some hot water to warm it up, because usually I put it in front of the heater, but because there's so little resin left in the bottles, the heater would just heat up the plastic bottle and it wouldn't do anything to the resin. So I've got the resin sitting in some nice warm water right now. So we're going to let that heat up for a little bit. I'm going to get that mixed up. Going with just a clear resin for this, obviously. It's a Petri dish pour. And then, yeah, we'll drop some ink. We'll see how it turns out. This was a really long intro for something that didn't really need a really long intro. So there you go. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this started. pans. Let's see how they look. I'm nervous. Did it work? Did it not work? Ooh. Very cool. Again, I do wish that this camera, that I had a macro lens for this. It didn't, the ink didn't flow down as much as I would have hoped, at least in that one. I don't know, maybe I stirred it a little too soon. Come on, camera. There you go. It looks like a, like an alien planet. You know, like the surface of an alien planet. So yeah, I do think maybe I didn't wait long enough before stirring it with my toothpick. Anyway, I think they look great. I'm happy with them. What do you guys think? Let me know. Comment down below. Anyway, yeah, that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make yourself at home by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I have my voice back. I do still have a lot of drainage, so if I clear my throat, I sincerely apologize. I will try not to do that. Anyway, well, God, that was over a year ago, I want to say. I bought the Steve McDonald Arts and Crafts jewelry making kit. And I am currently out of my favorite resin, the Total Boat tabletop resin. So, but don't worry, I have some more coming. It'll be here hopefully tomorrow. But in the meantime, I remembered, oh, well, never mind. If this feels hardened. Okay, so that's a thing that happened. I was going to use this resin, but it is completely hardened in there, which is odd because, I mean, it hasn't been opened since a year ago, so it's been, you know, nice and sealed. This one is still fluid, but for some reason this one has cured in the bottle. That's strange. Okay then, never mind about that, I guess. What else can I do? I don't know. Let me figure something out, I guess.